Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert CSV to Excel. Let's get started. If you need to open a CSV file in Excel, first, open a blank Excel workbook. Now go to the Data tab and click on From Text CSV. You can browse for the CSV file you want to open. And once selected, click on Import. You'll see an overview of the data contained in the CSV file. Most of the time, data loads correctly. But if the data you're working with happens to be placed in columns incorrectly, the most common reason is a symbol that separates values in the CSV file. The separator set here is a comma, and the preview shows data loaded into 5 neat columns. However, if we change the separator to a semicolon, all the data in each row appears in one column only, which looks pretty cluttered. When we have a closer look at how data in a CSV file is stored, we'll see that it comes in rows, and the values in each row are separated with a comma. The comma here works as a separator, also known as a delimiter, which basically means that the value between two commas will appear in a separate column in an Excel spreadsheet if the delimiter type is set correctly in Excel and matches the one used in the CSV file. Although the CSV stands for comma-separated values, in fact, the delimiter could be anything. The most common delimiters are the comma or the semicolon, among others. Therefore, since the separator in the source file is the comma, we need to make sure that the delimiter here in this Excel window is set to a comma. So make sure to select the correct delimiter, the one that is used in the CSV file you're working with, to have your data separated and displayed correctly. And let's move on. In addition, we can choose from various options under File Origin to make sure Excel will recognize and show all the data from the CSV file correctly. If needed, we can also change the settings based on which Excel detects data types. Generally, the option based on the first 200 rows is sufficient and works well. If you're done with all the settings, press Load, and all the data from the CSV file gets loaded into an Excel data table. There, the data can be modified, formatted, or saved as a standard Excel file. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.